This model of snowflake was designed by me in December 23, especially for Christmas. The model is folded with 6 squares and uses the traditional water bomb base. So let's begin folding. I am using a square of 7.5 centimeter to fold the model. The finished size of the model will be this with 7.5 centimeter square. So let's start folding the water bomb base first. For that I make 2 diagonal folds. Open the paper and make the horizontal fold. Rotate the paper and make the second horizontal fold. Okay, now we will squash fold to form a water bomb base. Just reinforcing the creases nicely. Now we have a center line here. Okay. We will be folding this flap on the center line like so. And make a crease. And now we have a crease here. So our next fold will be on this crease. Lift this flap and divide it further by folding it on the new crease line, and we have a crease like this. Okay. Now we lift this other flap and also align it with the center line and make a crease. Make a light crease here. Okay. And now this crease will fall on the center line. So for that we lift this flap and pull this up to the center line, aligning it at the base also. And if you notice that the edges of these 2 flaps match. Okay, so make a crease here, or you can even pinch mark it because that will be the reference for the next fold. So this was like that. So we just pinch mark here is also enough, and then we open and fold the flap on the new pinch mark. And now you have to make a crease. Okay. Okay, now we need a color change. So for that we will open the unit slightly and we will make the reverse fold on the first line, first crease line. So this is the first fold on the right side, and on the left flap also we have this first crease line. So we will be folding on that crease line. Okay. the unit looks like this now. Now we lift this flap and align it with the center line again. So this edge we align nicely. You can pull this a bit out so that the white edge is up to the bottom. Okay, we have it like this. Now if you see, there is a pocket here on this flap. So we will lift this left side flap and push it inside the pocket, and it will lock. So slightly open and push it inside, and okay, if we just push it, and also see to it that this is in line with the center line here. This is in line with the center line. So like this. And now we need one more fold for the lock. So we will pull this flap up and align it here to the edge and make a crease here up to the bottom like this. And we have to just reverse fold it like this. Okay. So our unit is ready now. So let's fold 5 more units to make the model. I have already folded the units. So let's begin the assembly. For the assembly, I take 2 units first, and as you see, there is a gap here on the first unit, and this flap of the second unit will slide inside this gap as far as it can go. Like if I open the flap, I can show you. It will go right up to the edge like this. So I slide it underneath as far as it can go inside. Okay, once it's in position, so this edge is also aligned, then I will fold this flap down, this triangular flap inside this pocket here. Okay, so I fold it inside and lock it here. Now we have one more triangular flap here, as you see. So this I will fold it on the edge for the second lock. So we have 2 locks for this model. Okay, now I take the next unit, and now we already have this flap here. So the next unit will go on top of it and inside the second unit. Okay, as far as it goes, and then fold it down inside this pocket like so. And then this fold comes down. So we have 2 nice firm locks for the model. Take the next unit again and place it on top of this lock like this and push it as far as it goes inside here like this. Then fold this flap down and push it inside this pocket here. Okay, and fold this flap down. Then the next unit, again the same way, push it as far as it goes inside, fold this down, and also the second lock, and we have just one unit to go. So again repeat and fold it down. This flap comes down and pull this flap, this unit up and make a fold here. Okay, and this goes underneath this flap. Now you see that unit is not flat, but with slight adjustment I press it at the center and it opens up. So unit. So this is how the model looks now. Thank you for watching.